Good morning, second class. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. It was so nice to chat to you all on Friday and to have a catch up and to hear all your news. And I'm really looking forward to our one next Friday already. So how are you all feeling today? And we'll start with our news. So this week we are going to do it as a diary entry. So the last 2 weeks we've been doing it as a letter, and now we're going to do it as a diary entry. So you were doing a page of this in your skills book, writing a diary entry for something you did yesterday and for Fina's day as well. I think that's what it was. So now we're doing a diary entry for our news of the weekend. So this is the way that you're going to be doing it in your copybook. So you'll put up your title, you can put diary entry, or you can put my news. Then you'll put the day and the date on the first line. Then you'll skip on to the next line and then you'll start writing your news. So I've put on Friday, I did my online learning. We had a Zoom with teacher and the other boys and girls in the class. We said our news and sang a song. It was lovely to see everyone. On Saturday, I went for a walk with my family on the beach. It was a lovely day. On Sunday, Mum made a lovely dinner. We had chocolate brownies for dessert. They were yummy. So that's what I just said as an example for you to see. And then you'll be doing your snip, session 15, and the first exercise. And we're on to a new topic in maths this week. So you'll have your Master Your Maths, Monday, page 40. And then our new topic is fractions. So we haven't done fractions this year yet. So today, our first day, we'll be looking at half and halves. And this is the page that you will be doing it. Sorry, seasons isn't meant to be in it. That's from last week's one. So this is the page you'll be doing. So it says, using the words above, fill in the blanks in the sentence below. So you have one whole pizza, and then you have two halves. So if you sliced it down the middle, you'd have two halves. So one whole pizza can be cut into two equal halves. Each part is called a, you need to put it in, half plus half makes one something pizza. When a pizza is cut in half, each half must be, then it says draw lines to show how this chocolate bar can be cut into two equal parts in two different ways. So you need to show it in two different ways. So if you're drawing the line down, you need to do another one then wherever you think the other half would be. So there needs to be equal amounts when you cut it in half. So if one person is getting 4 squares, the other person needs to get 4 squares. Then number 3, colour half of each shape. You know how to do that. Draw a line that cuts each of these in half. We've been doing some of these in our Master of Maths as well. Then our Gaeilge, Diagwit, Conas atá tú, Céin wrong and a bhfuil tú. Conas atá an I'm sure enough. Agus na leighanta. And our topic is AD. So you'll be watching the clips that I put up on the YouTube channel, and you'll be doing page 49 of your Buin Accounta workbook. This is the page, so you'll be putting the right word next to the picture. So they put the tá and the urhi here, but they've left out the urhi here and the tá and the urhi for 5 and 6. So you need to remember to put that in. So we have cóta, bútasaí, lámhíní, scarf, hata agus stocky. Then science is our last lesson of the day. It is Small World book, page 48, and we're going to be learning about parts of plants and animals. So we have a picture of a tree up there, and we have to label it. So all the different parts, some of them they give you a hint by giving you the first letter. Then over here we have a tree trunk. And it says, by looking at it and the amount of rings, you're able to tell how old the tree is. So you need to count how many rings are there, and that will tell you how old the tree is. Then down here we're learning about the woodlouse. So it gave you a picture of one here, and you have to read and answer the true or false questions. Then I also said when you're next out on a walk, have a look if you can find a woodlouse. And tell me if you can find any, or if you can take a picture, maybe do as well, and you can send it on to me. So that is it for Monday's work, second class. Thank you so much. Well done on completing another day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a lovely evening.